December 20, 2025, a dream became reality. Philippine Airlines welcomed its first A350-1000, MSN 758. Proudly registered as RP-C3512, it marked the beginning of a new era for the country's flagship carrier, bringing greater comfort, efficiency, and range to long-haul travel. Just over 5 months later, on May 29, 2026, the family grew. MSN 778 arrived in Manila as RP-C3511, strengthening the fleet and continuing Philippine Airlines' modernization journey. And now, the journey is complete. After departing Toulouse as PR5512, MSN 786, now proudly registered as RP-C3512, has arrived safely in Manila. From the drawing board to the assembly line, from test flights over Europe to its final journey home. This magnificent A350-1000 now proudly joins the Philippine Airlines fleet. Together with MSN 758 and MSN 778, a new chapter in Philippine Airlines' long-haul story continues, connecting the Philippines to the world with comfort, innovation, and pride.
Welcome home, RP-C3512, Mabuhay, and may your skies always be clear.